my name is Tony, and my wife and I moved to North Beach in San Francisco about a year ago. And when we first moved in, the condo had the original interior, which was about 35 years old. The first thing we did was we went onto Yelp and just looked at all the contractors who work in the area and selected the top 5 with the highest review, and Triond was one of those top 5. During our initial meeting with Gilad, he wasn't overly aggressive in just trying to get the contract. He was very genuine and knowledgeable in what needs to be done and very honest in how much it's going to cost. We had a weekly meeting with Gilad to get an update, to adjust anything, for feedback. When we actually saw it, I think the whole thing just exceeded our expectations as to not just how well it looked, but the craftsmanship that Triond and the crew put in remodeling the unit. It's so good that we actually don't even want to use it because we're worried about getting it dirty, but we're actually very happy with the results. Working with Triond, they actually dealt with the HOA directly, so it was really hands-off for me and my wife. We didn't really need to get involved in all aspects of coordinating with the HOA and coordinating with the suppliers. Triond just took care of everything. So it was a very smooth process, and I would definitely recommend Triond.